Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here. In this video, I'm going to show you another really cool feature. It's how to edit or add your trusted vendors page. I love this. I'm constantly adding vendors to it. And as you can see on mine, it's actually a public. I think it's a great way for free marketing for the businesses, but also for your clients. So I have a trusted vendors here. Um, how to add that on there. So it may show as hidden. So you drag it from hidden and up to your trusted vendors and then put it there. Then I'm going to click this. And you're probably wondering, how do these get here? Well, in video 8, I showed you how to modify your settings tab under there. That's where you add your vendors. This is where it's going to show up. Okay. So if you, again, you can edit this page here. You can change the image. As you can see, it's pretty basic. Again, I went on Canva. I had to support your local business. I put a black box over it, changed the opacity so it looks good. That's simple there. Here we go. But then down here, there's a few options that you can put in. So let's go to scroll up here. Here, change style. So if you don't like the way this one looks, you hit change style and you can pick what style you have it to go as. I picked this one because I like to have the businesses lined up this way, but you can pick however you want to. And then I have it alphabetized. So just as the headings get pulled automatically from your settings, they get added right there. And then I just put in some information because I created a form in a different website that they fill this form out. And it's just, they click this. This is HTML code. This is from my other side job. I have created a system called FreeUp. If you go to freeupsystems.com, you can learn more about it. But I put a form here that the vendors can fill out, and then I just add them to this vendor page. So I would highly recommend having a vendor page. It's just, again, like I said, it's a good value add to your buyers and sellers, but it's also a great value add to your local businesses, to those that you support, that maybe support you. I don't charge anything because I don't believe that you should, but you're more than welcome to do so. What I do is I say, hey, I would love to have you on my trusted vendors list. I'm sure you're working with tons of realtors, but all I ask is if you give me one shot a year for business. And it's all, just give me one referral a year and I would be a happy camper. Well, again, like I said before, this is going to be my core 100. So my goal is to have 100 businesses in here. And imagine if half of them gave you a referral every year. That's 50 deals. So don't overlook the power of your vendor list. And again, let's go take a look at it, what it looks like. It's live. So you go to trusted vendors. This is what it looks like. It's live. And then we'll click on home inspections and it opens up a couple people that put on there. And then it still has the same information. They can search businesses. Let's say hair. There was nothing in hair. Barber. Banking. So it pulls up banking, anything. So there you go. It just pulls up information. So yeah, that's the power of having a vendor list. So make sure you do that. And thank you. Like, subscribe, share. And in the next video, I'll show you some more cool stuff.